Meanwhile, dozens of recently laid off federal employees crowded into the Capitol protesting the president's dramatic job cuts. And as Kirsten Mitchell reports, those cuts include workers at Minnesota's VA.
I love working in this job. I love serving veterans. I've done it now for, the better part of 6 years.
This former Veteran Affairs Medical Center employee who wants to remain anonymous says she was one of more than 1,400 VA staffers fired Monday.
These veterans are receiving very real health care and having very real health care outcomes due to their participation in Minneapolis VA research.
In addition to being on probation after starting a new role, in an email, the agency said, your performance has not met the burden to demonstrate that your further employment at the agency would be in the public interest. Her last performance review says otherwise, describing her work as exceptional and outstanding.
I received an email in my inbox at about 4 o'clock yesterday and reported it to my supervisor, who had not been informed that I was terminated from my position.
Many workers at the VA are veterans themselves.
Actually, all of them are necessary to the function of this facility and for veteran care.
The union leaders representing thousands of federal nurses, physicians, and technical workers say stress and uncertainty are running high.
They have been keeping focused at the VA here, keeping focused on their jobs, doing the mission that they are hired to do, but it's been tearing them apart.
The VA claims the non-mission critical positions will enable them to redirect more than $83 million annually toward healthcare benefits and services.
I think kind of this idea that, these federal employees are sitting around with our feet up on our desks and we're really wasting the time and energy of the American people. We work hard at our jobs. We have a very important mission to support healthcare for veterans.
Federal workers can appeal, but this former employee says she's received very little information about her next steps.
I'm hopeful that I get to go back into this role because it is truly a role that I love and I've loved doing, and I hope that I can continue doing.